Today we're going to unbox this. Not 100% sure what this is because I have a bad habit of ordering things and then not opening them right away. Oh, yeah, okay. We got the Osmo Pocket 4P from DJI. No, I'm not in the United States. I am Canadian. So let's get into this, I guess, huh? Alrighty. This is the vlog combo, which I think is different from the creator kit. I honestly don't know. We'll find out. And here we've got DJI stickers, manuals, etc. This seems like just a DJI bag for carrying it. Yeah, just a little Osmo bag. Oh, I got free salt. No, it's silica. Okay, fine. So there's that. And now let's get to the star of the show, the Osmo itself. Okay, so lots of goodies. So what do we got in here? Okay, so we have the little attachment that makes it larger for setting up on a tripod, etc. They do not make this easy. So, yeah, connects right there. We'll set that aside for in a bit. We've got the DJI Mini S2, I believe, which is pretty cool. We'll look at that in a sec. We've got this light, which I haven't seen before other than online. Put that there. We've got the star, the actual DJI 4 Pro right here, or 4P, whatever they want to call it. And, ooh, that's nice, okay. Let's see here, take off all the fun things. Turn it on, see if there's any battery. There is. Oh, gimbal endpoints reached. Okay, so it wants me to set up right now. We'll do that in a different video. So yeah, kind of heavy. Nice though. What else we got in here? Okay, we've got the Windcat. We've got, what? We've got a little controller. I thought this only came with the Luna. I think if you get the vlog combo, you get this little controller piece too. So when your DJI is on, oh, it's not set up right now, so it's not gonna work. This would also sort of work. That's pretty cool. So yeah, again, we'll do a full look into that later. This is the piece that doesn't want to come out. This is your little tripod piece here, extender, right? Nice and simple. Let's see what else is in the bag. In the bag, we've got cables, all the cables, recharging cables, every kind of cable you could imagine, it's here. Wow. And then we have an empty bag. So you got a USB to USB-C. This looks like a cable that would charge this. This is a cable that would charge this. This is a lanyard, so you can have it on your wrist. There's two of them, I guess. So, yeah. So you put this like so. You connect this like so, or like so, and now you can put it down. So that's pretty cool. Or it extends your reach. So yeah, that's the DJI 4P.